Okay, so we're at the lab. Doctors, I found something. Doctor, I found something. You guys got to tell me what this is.
Thank you.
Oh my goodness. I don't know what it is. You guys have to find out what it is.
I think it's an alien. Alright.
We need to open it, huh?
Yeah, we need to find out how to open this container.
You guys got all your safety gear on?
Mm-hmm. We don't know what kind of disease this thing could have.
No.
Aha! I found a way to open it. I think I found out how to open it. Yes. Dr. Daniels.
Dr. Daniels just trying to help.
Okay. It is an alien. We have to check him.
Daniel, check him. Dr. Daniel, you give her a second opinion.
There's something in there. I think we have to dissect him. I found out how to cut it.
Wow. This is interesting. What's going on here? Oh, be careful. We don't want to destroy anything. What could it be? What could it be?
I can't do this. Here we go.
Very good. That means. Oh. Oh.
I can't get it.
Oh, that's gross.
I think we have to take the rib cage out. Oh.
Oh, what is that?
I don't know.
Look at his blood. Oh, look at that. Oh, it's gross.
I found something weird. Oh, Dr. Daniel is getting in too?
He's not even wearing his gloves. Oh,
no.
look at that.
Oh, look at this. Oh,
Gross.
Oh. Oh no. It's on our cloth. Let's put it back in the stomach.
What did he eat?
He ate another alien.
Gross.
A tinier alien. Oh, and he has a gun. Yeah. There's the other alien. Oh, it came with something else.
I think you should put all the goo in there. Put the goo in there.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Just bloody goo.
Oh, yeah.
We have to test that at the lab of us.
Let's put this in here too. This is the guy. He has a little golden gun and brains popping out of his head. Oh, there's a surprise bag. Wonder what's in it. What's this? It's like a little missile of some sort. I wonder what happens if you squeeze this guy's head. Oh! 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 Deflating! Oh! Oh! His head came off! What the heck? Oh!
Oh!